the different sounds of C. So there are two sounds that C makes. One is a S sound when we couple it with CE, CI, CY. The other sound is a K sound when we couple it with CA, CO, CU. Let's look at some words as examples. CE, celebrate. CI, cider. CY, bicycle. Ice, city. Privacy. Mice, circle, policy. You can always screenshot this page for your review. Cement, excited. Literacy, nice. Recipe, accuracy. As you can see, they all make the S sound for C. So let's look at some sentences. I have a nice cat named Spice. Do you have a spicy recipe for rice? I ran at a fast pace and won the race. How far is the city of San Francisco? Mercy me, I ate too much spicy rice. The second sound that C makes is a hard C sound, and it sounds like K, K. Called. Continents. Cup. Crust. Canyon. Core. Arctic. So CA, CO, CU, and C plus a consonant sound. Crust, Arctic, affect, and create. And of course, these make the cut sound. Cat, care, cave, volcanoes, core, and cup.